historic milestone for cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin recently surged past the $100,000 mark. This surge is largely attributed to US President-elect Donald Trump's pro-crypto stance that has reignited investor confidence. His promise of supportive regulations and a potential national Bitcoin reserve have created an optimistic outlook among investors, driving demand for this digital currency.
What our understanding is basically, one of the major catalysts and anchor essentially is the US elections. One of the short-term reasons that I see, like particularly for the last 2-3 days, is Trump's pick for the SEC chairman, which is Paul Atkins, which basically brings a lot of trust to the people that the commitments he did for the elections, essentially, he's coming through it. And that reliance is basically fuels in euphoria, fuels in more speculation. And that's one of the reasons we are seeing this specific resurgence in the last 2 to 3 days, and why essentially the mark essentially broke off 100K for the first time.
Trump, who was once a crypto skeptic, has pledged to make the US the crypto capital of the planet and create a strategic reserve of Bitcoin. His campaign accepted donations in cryptocurrency, and he courted fans at a Bitcoin conference in July. He also launched World Liberty Financial, a new venture with family members to trade cryptocurrencies. Crypto industry players have welcomed Trump's victory in hopes that he would be able to push through legislative and regulatory changes that they've long lobbied for.
So this price point gave it a validation, a strong validation that this asset class is not going anywhere. So it's here to stay. It's here for a longer run. So people who are sitting on sideline got a good message that now they can really trust this asset class. I'm again not saying it cannot dump again to maybe 60, 70, 80,000, but as an asset class, it has performed well over last 15 years.
The recent surge signifies a potential turning point for the cryptocurrency market. With Bitcoin's value now exceeding $100,000, it may attract even more institutional interest and encourage broader adoption among retail investors. Experts believe the positive sentiment could lead to increased investments in other cryptocurrencies as well, suggesting that the crypto market may be entering a new phase of growth and stability. Launched in 2009, Bitcoin has climbed dramatically from $69,374 on US election day to $101,512 earlier this week, just 2 years after dropping below $17,000 following the collapse of crypto exchange FTX.